All right, guys, we're gonna go fly quads. There's so much crap in my car right now. I just took my family to get a Christmas tree. We went and cut our own down, and while that sounds awesome, there are things you need to do that we did not do to prepare for this. Like bring a tarp, so when you're laying on the ground, you're not laying on wet ground trying to cut a tree down, because that sucked. But I did get a tree gunk all over the top of my car, because we didn't have a tarp, again, to put on top of the car. So, but the mission was successful. It is now 3:55. It's gonna get dark in about half an hour, which means we're gonna do some night flying with some Trevor, and it should be dope. I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna tune some quads. The weather's been absolute garbage this last few weeks. And I'm supposed to be doing this video segment for a friend of mine out in Korea, and I have not had the chance to do that for you, brother. So yeah, we're gonna go do that, and it's gonna be great. You should always text and drive while you're not driving. You should never text and drive. You should text when you're not driving. All right, so you probably said a flashing red thing in the corner because I forgot to turn it off, but yellow quad, 5.1, 4.1 by 3, 5 as fuck motors, or FPV as fuck motors, and I like them. They're really good. They're not loose or anything, are they? Everything's good. Let's fly. Oh, let's see if you're freaking arm up, you little motherfucker. Alright, so we're gonna get something to eat at Bon Jovi, I don't know. And then we're gonna come rip some more, because I have a lot more packs left, and none of my stuff is broken. Yay! Hooked on a feeling, stuck on believing.
Real OG, was in the am and I'm still OG, steady trill OG, man, a real OG. Was in the am and I'm still OG, steady talking that shit, you can feel OG. Yeah, my cup running over, don't spill OG.
Alright, so halfway through the night, for me at least, I don't know what these guys are gonna do. Trevor, over there.
Yeah, I gotta fix this.
Will. So we're halfway through the night. We're at what is this, Bonchon? And we're eating. Anyways, I've been flying okay. The quads have all been working. I crashed one, and it didn't completely break. It only broke just a little bit.
Oh, is there drinks? Oh,
yeah. So we're gonna order our food. We'll be back. I know I didn't palm in, but I think I'm gonna palm out. Oh my God, it was so delicious. I'm gonna go rip packs. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. That's how much I ate. And now I gotta follow Trevor to the spot. We're gonna fix some quads and we're gonna rip. It's gonna be great. I'll see you there. All right, guys, I'm over here now. I gotta put the right IMU-F on here. Turn on the Wi-Fi thingamajangs. So I forgot to put the new IMU-F, whatever the fuck it's called, the new FU mode, because I'm flying around. It feels a lot like Odin's. Like in Odin, when you try to yaw spin and turn in at the same time, the quad does this weird like, whoa, oh, wait a minute, shit, and that fucking sucks. So I gotta get rid of that. I got to put on that new IMU thing. But you know what? I'm loving the HQ 5.1 by 4.1s. I like the 3.1s too, but on my higher KV motors. The 4.1s are good on my lower KV motors. I mean, they're all high KV motors because I'm running 5S, but I got one block of battery left. I gotta change the batteries in my goggles. Look at that. No bueno. All right, we got the newest IMU-F. That's good. I'm running 1616 D-Shot 1200 with buttered PIDs. The only thing I changed on my setups is I put in more P. I put 50 across, and I'm running 3650 on the IMU-F all the way across. And my quad flies great. I love me some butterfly. And in the throttle dip is very, very minimal. And if I turn up the eyes probably just a little bit, that'll completely disappear. So I'm just having a great time. I'm gonna get back out there and fly now.
Review on that transmitter?
This is the best transmitter in the world. You should get one. It's fantastic. Get Crossfire. Whoa, God. I'm on 500 milliwatt. All right, we're good. This is the black Strix, or it used to be the Strix. It's the DQE, the black and red one.
Red is love, red is pain. The full step back to me. Yet another breath is at hand.
That one's going in the scrapbook. Ah, dois.